All right. Well, hello YouTube. Uh, Adam here from Minnesota Automotive. Uh, just another job going on here. We've got my friend's 2005 Chevy Colorado. Awesomeness here. She's only got like 89,000 miles on it, but she's got the same problem I do. Her blower motor fan doesn't work anymore. So, to those of you that have watched my video when I did my blower motor fan, it's going to be a lot of the same, but neighbors are outside now. They're hearing me talking to myself. So I'm just going to do this one kind of live. I'm not going to what do you call it? Time lapse. I'm just going to do this straight through. So maybe it kind of, helps you guys a little bit more. Like, okay, well, a time lapse, I missed something. What's up with this? What's up with that? Maybe so, maybe not. Hey, if you hate the video, you hate the video. Don't watch it. But I'm going to do it the same way I did my truck. Passenger seat has to come out. Glove box. When I did mine, I actually disassembled my glove box. I learned that you just need to take 3 7mm screws out. The whole thing will fall right out of the dash. There you go. So, and the wiring harness is labeled with the tab down if you have to do this with your truck. Tab down, left to right, A, B, C, D. And that would be fan speed 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is your bypass. 4 is always going to work. But usually with these GM models, either fan speed 2 or fan speed 3 ends up shorting out, or something weird goes on, ends up screwing up the resistor. So that's why there's a kit that you replace the resistor and you replace the wiring harness, because the wiring harness, the wires are far, far, far undersized for the current that it's got to carry. So, ergo, not even that. When GM had originally put those resistors and that wiring harness together, they never put a gasket on the wiring harness that would plug into the resistor. Now, that rubberized gasket, while it is inside your vehicle, it's right next to your heater core, so why wouldn't you want to have a weatherproof gasket on that? Originally, they never had a weatherproof gasket wrapped around the wiring harness. So that's what the new wiring harness actually brings, is they have one of those rubber 3-rib green weatherproof gaskets on it. And that actually, when you have that on even any connector, when you stab that connector into anything or the wiring harness into it, it actually solidifies it and stabilizes it. I don't know why GM thought, yeah, we don't need the gasket. It's inside the cab. Well, maybe inside the cab, but it stabilizes the connector. So why not? I guess that's what they're kind of learning, or what they have learned recently. Well, we're talking about 05, 06. So anyway, I'm going to get after it, and I'm doing this on my phone. I'll end up editing it and it'll be on my GoPro, so it'll be kind of more of a still shot, not so shaky. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna bump the heat up a little bit here in the garage. We're here. Hope's out here. Hope says hi. Hope loves everybody, but the floor is a little cold in here, so I don't think Hope is gonna stay in the garage very long. What? You wanna go inside already? Who's that? Yeah, she is a hound. She's doing some sniffing. My friend is a heavy smoker, so the truck smells like cigarettes. Yay me. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this second video of doing a blower motor resistor and wiring harness, and there goes the furnace replacement. Like I said, if you guys don't want to watch another video on this, okay, I'm just doing this video because maybe on my first one I forgot something. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. It's up to you guys. So I'm gonna get right back to you guys when I get the GoPro set up. Talk to you later. Bye.